These 3D AI kids dancing to Afrobeats are getting millions of views, and almost nobody knows how they are made. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to create them step by step using free tools even if you've never done AI before. By the end of this video, you know how to generate the 3D AI child image, how to animate it for free in CapCut, and how to also animate it in Higgsfield for more realistic motion. Let's get into it. First, we need the character. These viral videos all start with a very specific 3D AI look, not cartoon, not Pixar, but semi-realistic 3D. I'm using ChatGPT to generate the image, and the key here is the prompt. Now you can choose to use my prompt, okay? You can type in this prompt. Give me a prompt for 3D AI avatar baby dancing to Afrobeats. Make sure she's dressed in a unique outfit. She has a unique skin tone, and at this point you can add everything that you want, how you want her to look, her hairstyle and everything. So ChatGPT is going to give you a very detailed prompt. I want you to copy that prompt and open a new chat. Alright, once you open a new chat, copy the prompt that we got and type this in front. Create this image in 16 by 9 or 9 by 16 depending on which one that you want. Now if you're okay with that, hit generate. So ChatGPT will give you a very detailed image. This is exactly what I wanted, but I want to change her hairstyle. I wanted to have a blonde hairstyle. I want it to be as unique as possible. Okay, so you can go back and type in any corrections that you want ChatGPT to do for you. So once you're done typing what you want, hit generate and ChatGPT is going to generate a new image for you. Now this is exactly what I want. She looks unique, her hairstyle is unique, and I love her outfit. Okay, her outfit is the best. Alright, now let's go to TikTok. This is where we are going to find our dancing videos. So in the search bar, you can just type dancing and there will be a lot of dancing videos available for you to choose from. Now when you're choosing a video, make sure that the person in the video is not all over the place. Like she should be in the frame of your camera. Alright, so I'm going to choose this video. Just click on the arrow right here and click on download to get the video. So what I normally do is once I get the video, I go to my gallery and I edit it. I am going to crop a little bit of the video. I want the human being to show as much as possible. And also if the video is longer than 15 seconds, please crop it as well. So for the video motion, we are going to use CapCut. Once you're in CapCut, click on new video and choose the video that we just got from TikTok. Okay, so I want you to scroll down here, and once you scroll, you are going to see AI avatar. All right, click on this and scroll again. We are going to see mimic motion. Click on that and click on agree. Now the first plus sign, that's where we are going to put our image there, and the second one is for the video we got from TikTok. Okay, as you can see, they're telling me I can't download it, so I have to go back and reduce the length of the video. So I'm going to reduce it all the way to 15 seconds and come back here and download it. Yes, so once you're done downloading, you are going to read through which one you are okay with, which version that you want, which move that you want. I'm going to use the last one, the mix version, and I'm going to hit on generate. Alright, so this takes a while to generate, okay? So whilst this is generating, let's go to Higgsfield AI to also generate a video that we can use. So once you're in Higgsfield, you're going to see this interface. If you're new to Higgsfield, you can sign up. If you already know Higgsfield, you just go to your video section right here and you're going to choose Kling Motion Control. Now, I want you to know this. Higgsfield can only be used on your PC or on your laptop, okay? You can't use it on your phone. So once you click on the Kling Control, as you can see, I've already created some motions right here. So once you sign up, you're going to get 10 free credits to create this motion controls. As you can see, I've already done 4, so it's left with 6. Here's where you're going to put in your AI avatar picture, and that is where you're going to put in your video. This is where you're going to choose the resolution that you want, and also this part you can choose to use the background of the video you're using or choose to maintain the background of your image. And also you can choose to add a prompt to give it a little spice to your video. So basically everything you need is here. Alright, so we are going to click here and download our avatar. Click on this right here to download your video. Now I want to use a different video for this, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to crop it out. So with this, it's going to crop it out for you. You don't have to go back and edit it. Once you upload it, you're going to choose your resolution right here. I'm going to keep it to 720 resolution for the purpose of this video. And I want my avatar to take the background in the lady's video. So I'm going to choose the video. I'm going to choose this right here because I want that hair background. Once you're done, you click on generate. Alright, so our AI avatar is ready. Let's play it to see if it's the same thing we are looking for. Okay, the background is the same. It's the same girl. The background is the same as the lady's own, and is the same avatar. The expressions is good, the dance is good. I mean, come on, this is great. Now I'm going to play the actual video for you guys to see. Because of copyright issues, I won't be able to play the sound, but so far this is good. This is great. The background is great and she looks perfect. I love this. So once you're done and you're okay with it, click here to download your video. So one thing I realized about CapCut is that because I chose the mix method, because I chose the mix option, it's distorted, like it is distorted. So I'm going to go back and choose the first or second option to see if I'll get a very great video from this. Now let's try this. Now this is more like it. This is lovely. So you can still use CapCut, but make sure not to choose the mix option. Okay, make sure not to choose the mix option. I think the first or the second option is great for you. Once you love it, once you're okay with it, just download it into your gallery and post it on Shorts, YouTube Shorts, or TikTok or IG Reels. If you want more videos like this, AI content that actually gets views, Kindly subscribe. I'm breaking things down step by step, no gatekeeping here. And comment below what AI video you want me to make next. I'll see you in the next one.